Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your FxPro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. You just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. You come here to allow custom push notification here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here allow custom push notification disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.